Best portable washing machines. Number 3. Think Gizmos portable washing machine. Portable washing machine with spin dryer TG23 from Think Gizmos is perfect for anyone who needs a washing machine but may not have the space for a full-sized machine. The washing machine measures 60 cm or 23.6 inches wide, 38.5 cm or 15.2 inches deep and 69 cm or 27.2 inches tall. Pros: holds about 12 pounds of laundry at a time. Takes 20 minutes to clean and spin dry clothes. No complicated setup. Quiet operation with few vibrations. Powerful spin cycle that sucks most of the water out of clothes. Cons: the drainage hose is a little short. Some users say machine broke after a few months. Bottom line: a large yet easily portable washing machine that packs a lot of cleaning power, though there are concerns about its durability. Number 2. The laundry alternative Wonder Wash non-electric portable mini washing machine. A hand-powered, portable washer that can clean your clothes in a flash, the Wonder Wash is the next generation in green, cleaner laundry alternatives. And thanks to its compact design, it's an ideal laundry solution for apartments, campers, single people, RVs, mobile homes, cabins, and anyone who frequently washes small loads. Pros: distances itself from others for its hand-cranked operation that doesn't need electricity. Small size works well in tight spaces. Gentle on delicate fabrics. Inexpensive and efficient. Cons: requires a bit of time and strength to operate. Only holds 5 pounds at a time. Longevity of some of its components is questionable. Bottom line: despite some quirks, this handy gadget is quite affordable and is ideal for anyone who is concerned about the environment. Number 1. Panda Compact Portable Washing Machine. Suitable for condos and apartments. Connect the washer directly to your faucet with the included quick connect adapter kit and hoses. Run washing, rinsing and spinning functions and cycle automatically. You can also run the functions separately. Pros: capacity of 11 pounds. LED display shows laundry cycles. Connects directly to your faucet. Offers 10 different wash settings. Durable, sturdy build, resists scratches and dents. Energy efficient at 110 volts and 310 watts. Cons: some reports of leaks and other minor defects typical of portable washing machines. Bottom line: whether you have limited space or simply need a small washing machine, this portable model is a petite version of a high-efficiency washer. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.